welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for coming back for yet another video. I'm in the middle of Mombasa. Mnavona jasho lanitoka. I've just been running my errands, guys. Mnavojua mimi ni mwanabiashara. I run my business by myself. I am the marketing team, the production team, the everything, customer service. It's actually something that I really like doing, but sometimes it can be very, very exhausting. And on top of that, I'm a wife and I'm a mother. So guys, inakuaga very, very nachoka. So I like to make a habit. I like to make a routine for treating myself to a spa every now and then. I have tried to make it a habit. I actually enjoy, guys. I'm a Taurus. Taurus, we love soft life. Anyways, guys, about it, I feel a bit exhausted because you are kali, kazi na jokesha, so it's time for baby girl to go get baby girl treatment. I want to book myself in a spa, get an Fires Bakery mbele Fires Bakery. It's just been hectic. I've been running on energy drinks. This is I don't advise you to drink energy drinks, but look, I needed that extra ounce of energy to run my things today. Nimepakia hapa mbele ya Fires Bakery and I couldn't help myself but get their samosas. They have really nice samosas. Kama ushai kuona Fires Bakery anywhere near you, try to get their samosas. They're really, really good.
No.
Hi AFROLANKA fam. So I checked myself into Ansui spa. I wanted to try out another spa, but this is so convenient for me. Like, it's wajua na mambo za happy hours na nini, so I feel like this was like the perfect fit for this time. And plus it's good, it's really nice. So I'm here, I'm getting a scrub today and a massage. I feel like I deserve it. Guys, leo nimepata bathrobe ndogo. Ka bathrobe kadogo jamanini. Enyewe ni lazima to lose weight. Tusi complain ati bathrobe ni ndogo. Ni sisi ndo wanono au vipi? Aya. Let's go get this treatment. Hi fam, so I'm just finished with my scrub. It was so good. She scrubbed every angle, especially like, you know, makwapa in between the thighs where it's like really, it needs like ile kusafishwa extra kwa sababu, you know, it gets darker. So yeah, tumescrubiwa leo jamani, umeogeshwa kama mtoto. After I finished, she let me have the space. I took a shower. After a shower, now I'm going for my massage. Guys, look at this. This is my view. Like literally, this is my view. So pretty. So pretty. Aya, twende kwa massage. Let's not get late. Let's not get carried away. Oh my God, look at the background. Look at the background. It looks like a picture. That's a window. I'm already in my treatment room, ready for that massage. Hi fam, so nishamaliza treatment yangu. Oh my God, I like how puffy my face is usually after a massage. The massage was so good. The amount of time my back cracked, and that's the meaning. My back cracked like several times, and I was like, is that even me? Damn, girl. But yeah, it was a much needed massage. I really enjoyed. Let me get dressed, guys.
Oh, ni sticker kumbe. Nifikiri that the nails. Abu Sa. La ilaha illallah Muhammadar Rasulullah.
It's several days after AFROLANKA farm. Nico City Mall. I was just bored at home and we decided to go mini with my nephew and my daughter Amaya. So yeah, let's go check out City Mall, Mombasa.
This is my brother.
This is your brother? Say hi.
Hi.
Actually guys, I was not supposed to vlog today. I was just supposed to just hang out and have fun. But you know, I gotta bring you guys along. It's a beautiful night. Guys, by the way, Miniso has one of the best quality makeups, like very affordable but nice quality, decent and guys, you see these earrings? I got them here. They're really nice, pretty, unique. Look at these. So cute. Ah, it's a coco. This one's a try. You like them? Anyway. Guys, I always get my collection of face masks here, shitty face masks. Come on, I'm on a scare like bad mood and I want to cheer myself up. I put on a face mask.
What are we looking at?
I'm looking for hydrating ones because I know that my face is dry, like I have dry skin. So I like moisturizing and hydrating. This one has vitamins also, so. Bluetooth, without cable,
Bluetooth. Without keyboard. Bluetooth.
Guys, I need a microphone for my YouTube channel, but without the cord. I don't know where I can get. Can you please comment down below and tell me like where I can find something like this, but without the cord. You understand? They're so soft. I just love Miniso. Let's go to the next shop. This reminds me of Uganda because this is what I usually used to do. Whenever I go to the mall in Uganda, I used to have a scoop of Cafe ice cream. Shopping. We were the last people in Waikiki, but we did a lot of nice we got a lot of nice things, and now we are hungry. Sata to say, yeah? I think most of the shops in the mall are closed by 9 p.m. So yeah, it's time to eat. No, we want to go up. We want to eat. So they have a bunch of like food eateries and franchises here in this mall, especially in the ground floor. You can find like Domino's, Pizza Inn, Galitos, kuna Cold Stone. Yeah. So like I don't feel like today. I'm not feeling. Today I want to eat it somewhere tasteful. You heard I say spicy? What is this? I love the color. I think it's a scarf. Wow.
It's like for the beach.
Yeah, it's for the beach.
It has seashells and fishes. We opened it at the right time.
In the right time, yeah. Because we are going where?
To the beach.
We are going to the beach, so this is gonna be really nice for today. Hi AFROLANKA fam, welcome back to my channel. It's the next day. Guys, there's a whole national blackout in Kenya. Hakuna moto ndani ya nyumba, so tumeamua leo kwenda kuji-entertain, tutaenda beach. At least we can wait until Kenya decides to give us back the electricity. I'm with Amaya and my nephew. Hi. They're so excited. What do you like? Spicy or not spicy?
Spicy.
I sound. Twaja. Guys, we're at Galito's. I'm buying my brother some lunch because he's on a keto diet. Me siko kwenye diet yote. Okay, how are these by the way?
They're nice. They're better than I expected.
Really nice, eh? Yeah. Caramel. I sound. Galito is giving Nando's vibes. If I miss Nando's, they usually grill their chicken and then they have these sauces. They're really nice. So Sankitamani Nando's, I just come to Galito's and have those sauces, the peri-peri sauces. It's really nice. The logo of Galito's is very dark. Look at this chicken. Angalia macho yake maskini, vile amepanic the way he's running for his life because it's a place where they cook them. It's such a lovely weather. We got some ice cream. We secured my brother's lunch. Ambu. First lunch yako yaja. I can't wait to dip myself in the pool. I hate it if you're the driver and everybody else is enjoying their ice cream. But me, I gotta eat mine so fast because I have to drive.
It's a beautiful day to be with you. It's a beautiful day.
We are here finally.
To be with you. Oh, when I see your face, it's true. The skies are bright and blue.
Oh yeah.
It's a beautiful day to be with you. Outside it feels like rain. These old knees, they tell me thunder's on the way. But if you could come a little closer, that's all I would need.
Bye bye. Woo! Thank you. I'm about to go in the pool. Got some sunscreen. Aisha, simu yangu utanitilia maji. Wa splash kweli. Oh, the water feels good. Woo! can I have some with my AFROLANKA fam?
Mommy, for me, I'm sharing.
Okay, that's good, Mama. Sharing is caring. Oh, sharing is fun. Aku dah chips. Punya beach leo. Punya beach. AFROLANKA fam nawambia naogelea. I had so much fun in the pool. Now I want to go to the beach side and check it out. We are out here touristing in the beach. My mom. Hi, Mama. Rookie. I feel like Ariel. I'm a Ursula. Guys, I'm just here lounging by the shore. Oh, it feels so good. Yes, see. It's giving Malawi. It is giving Malibu. It is giving Zimbabwe. I had so much fun making this vlog with you. I'm here with my nephews, my nieces, my cousins, and we would just like to ask you to
Like, subscribe,
comment.
share.
Until next time, we'll catch you on the next video. Bye!